Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a pierogi. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to make our cartoon pierogi, we're going to begin right here, and I just want to draw a line that's going to curve up a little bit and then back down. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up. And we also want to do the same thing on this side, just a little line that's going to curve up. Next, I'm going to start to draw this line up, and I'll do the same thing over here. Then I want to leave a little bit of space, and I'll make a little line that comes up and down with another little line over here. It's kind of like we made that curved line, but we left some spaces in here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and I'm just going to make some of these wavy little lines on here. This is going to be like the outside of the pierogi. So we're just going to make these little wavy lines all around here. You don't want them to be really pointy or anything, you just want them to be kind of smooth and bumpy. So we're just going to make these come all the way around down to here. Next, I'm going to draw a couple little lines onto the top of these little lines I drew. This just adds a little bit of detail to our pierogi. Next, what I'm going to do is I want to add a little face on here. So one of the things I'm going to do is just start here. We'll begin with a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye over here. Inside of here, we're going to add a little black dot for the pupil, and I'll leave a little bit of white space in there, and then we'll do the same thing over here. Starting here, we'll make a line that comes across for the top of the mouth. And I'll draw a line that goes down and up. This will just be a nice big smiley face. We'll add a couple little round bumps in here for some teeth with a little curved line in there for the tongue. And really quickly, I'm just going to color this part in real fast. We'll just color in the inside of the mouth here. Now, right above here, I'm going to draw a couple little eyebrows for our pierogi as well. So I'm just going to give our little pierogi an eyebrow above each eye, just for a little bit of extra detail. Now, a lot of people like sour cream with their pierogis, so I'm going to put a little bit on top. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go up and down. Then I'm going to start a little line here that's going to go over and then come down. I'll make another one that's just going to go up and down here. Then I'll add a little curved point and bring it down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon pierogi. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.